Looking for a career switch as a complete novice is not an easy task, but it can be one if you show dedication and commitment towards your life. This video will help you learn data science in few simple steps, which are self-evaluation, understanding skills required, project practice, interaction with experts, and having a never give up attitude. Take data science as a career if you are really interested into it, or else it'll become a nightmare for you because it involves a lot of new stuff including concepts and algorithms. Question yourself, are you truly interested in becoming a data scientist, or are you simply interested because everyone else is? Do a self-SWOT analysis and analyze your knowledge about the industry. Don't forget to set your goal and fix a timeline for you. To be clear, entering this field requires a great deal of effort and commitment, and you are compelled to learn all the tools, modules, and programs. Before heading forward, here's a pro tip for you. Announce your goals. Yes, this will increase your urge to achieve your goals and start visualizing yourself in your desired dream job. This will keep you motivated. If you belong to a non-programming background, suggestively you may go for special classes for non-programmers and hybrid learning facility by LearnBay or any other suitable platform. Next up, understand the skills required and compare with your current skills. Start working on them. They include the following: mathematical skills, programming skills, statistics, decision-making skills, and soft skills also play an equally important role as they help you communicate your idea in the right way. If you are a complete beginner, start with Python, which is simple to use and ideal to understand data science. Additionally, other programming languages such as R, Java, etc. may be studied. Statistics is the bedrock upon which machine learning algorithms and data science are built. It is necessary to understand fundamental concepts such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. When you're all done with your learning and grasping part, experiment with real-world projects. Without putting data science into practice, learning would be futile. As a result, this is the most critical step to be considered as a career as a data scientist, as employers can evaluate project work extremely well. Practice projects from banking and finance, healthcare, marketing, or retail industry. As we all know, the best trainer is experience. Contact data scientists, AI experts, or other professionals in the related field. Discover the insights and journey that will assist you in achieving your goal. Read more and more about the industry, watch videos, attend webinars or workshops by industry experts. This will not only work as a supplement for you by providing domain knowledge, but will also help you increase your interest day by day by boosting your curiosity and knowledge. Lately, never cease to learn. Because data science is a relatively new field, new libraries containing the most up-to-date techniques and updates appear on regular basis. Never be afraid to experiment and be passionate. Keep yourself updated about the industry changes and new innovations. And the most important part is to be patient and consistent. No data scientist can become data scientist in a day or two or just few months. It took hard work, consistency, and persistence. Hence, maintain an enthusiasm for data science. Get proper guidance at any point if you feel by joining online courses, but avoid courses with pre-recorded video session. We are here to help you, direct you, and boost your confidence. Thanks for watching. Talk with us at contacts@learnbay.co, DM us on our social media platforms, or call us on the number displayed. Learn with LearnBay, where the future begins.